Hey everyone, Chris with Haven. Here to open the new 5-inch classic style lights. These come in white and black, and these are brand new. Now these are replacing the old 2-inch style, and I'll show you why. So it's very handy. They come with the light on the end. They are directional, so there's male on one end, female on the other, and you get 5 of each in each box. So you have 5 left and 5 right, which is very handy. And as you take it out of the box, you'll see the light is this is for peak style lighting or end of run style lighting where you don't have 9 inches left. And what you can do is you can put this light at the peak. It also comes with a nice spacer already cut to size for you. So if you're at the peak, it will space the light out perfectly. So when your next light attaches here, it's 9 inches away. So already comes pre-cut spacer, everything really nice, really designed for peaks. If you're at the end of a run, you can also use it. Let's say you have 2 inches left, you could just cut 2 inches off the spacer, put that there on your end of run for a nice clean finish. So new 5-inch classic style lights come in white and black. They've got the ETL label on the back, they've got the serial number on the back, everything good to go there. And they're great, already come pre-cut, so you don't have to do anything. We make it easy. Thanks for watching.